Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you what I've been crocheting lately. This seems to be a popular video, so I'm going to keep doing it. I'm trying to remember where I got all these patterns, and I might have to think. I might have to do some editing while I find them because I didn't research before I turned on the camera. So let's get started. The biggest thing I crocheted came out of this book. I got this book from Amazon. This is by Rena Lee. This is the Enchanted Woodland amigurumi. I have two of her other books. I have her other two books. So I have all three books now. This one was one I was on the fence about buying. I'm like, will I use that? I don't know. But Amazon had it on sale for $10 and some change. And it's a $20 book. So I'm like, okay, I'm going to go ahead and get it. So here's some of the things you can crochet. There we go. I ended up doing this girl that's on the front, but I did her a little differently. Let me show you. Here she is. Let me turn to her. This is her, and she is the Hannah the Flower Fairy, or Hannah, like the road to Hannah. Probably like the road to Hannah. Hannah Flower Fairy. In the pattern, she has wings. I did not put wings on her. Also, she has this flower hat. I didn't do that either. I mean, I could have. I just didn't. But here is the one I made. Now, in the pattern, she has this little bun. And you could stick it anywhere you wanted. But I just went ahead and stick it on the back. And then put a little crochet around it to match her dress. I did embroider her eyes crooked. So I will be taking those eyelashes out, removing those stitches, and re-embroidering it. And I will be adding blush to her cheeks. But there we go. Here she is. I learned new stitch. Right there it is. But oh, she was so much fun to make. She really was. And I would make more of these. So I didn't think I would make up all these fairies. That's why I didn't buy the book initially. But I may gradually make them. I do like her. I would make her bun bigger. There's some things I would do different. And I might make make her actual fairy next time. But yeah, she worked up great. I think she's really cute. Yeah. Very, very easy pattern for me to make. Let me lay her back here. I'm not sure what they say her level is. Let's see. Skill level 2. Yeah. So that's intermediate. That's about where I am. I think I'm having some difficulty. I'm trying to work on a piece right now that is more of an advanced, and I'm having issues with it. Next, let me see where to start. What I know. Okay, this was from a YouTube video. Let me look her up. Her YouTube video is called Complicated Knots. And she is an amazing crocheter. And I'm learning a lot from her channel. And I'm learning how to create my own patterns, which is a goal I have. But this little guy, he's a crochet along with. And I did. And I think he just turned out so cute. Look at this rat. Now, with her pattern, she also makes a little strawberry for him to hold. And I may do that. I think he's good enough to sell. I think I would sell him. I don't know if I want to, if I just want to hang on to him, because he's kind of cute. Nathan says he's kind of like Ratatouille. I don't know if he's the colors of Ratatouille, but he's a little cute little rat. So anyway, I might keep him. I'm on the fence. I'm going to do a video where I lay out everything I've crocheted, decides what's not good enough to sell, what is good enough to sell, and then with what's good enough to sell, what do I want to sell? I'm going to be doing that. But yeah, this is him. Free crochet along. I will try to link it down below. So there we go. Move that one. Next, I think I bought this pattern. Let me look. Okay, yes I did. This is a little, I call them possums. I live in the South. I have possums in my backyard. an opossum, but his pattern is actually called, or her pattern, Posie the Pawsum. I got this pattern from Etsy. Here's my possum. Here is my possum. Possums actually have, I don't remember if their tails were that curly. I don't know. But there we go. That's my little possum pattern. I paid $3.95 for it. I would sell this one, but I would try to, next time, I'll probably make more, but sorry, my battery died, so I'm not sure if you're in the exact same spot. But anyway, I was talking about this possum. I will be adding embellishments to my pieces that I'm going to sell, just because I want to kind of give them my own signature. But I think she's cute. She might need a hat. She needs some rosy cheeks. Yeah, you'll see what I'm going to do when I'm ready to do all these fun things. So anyway, this is Posie the Pawsum. Her pattern is $3.95 on Etsy. Let me see who made her. Hold on. Teresa's Crochet Shop. I think she may be on YouTube. I'm not sure, but I will link this pattern for you down below. Yeah, it's a cute. I've been wanting to do a possum. I don't like those just little loaf, like they look like a pill, kind of with some feet or whatever. I don't care. I think this one's cute though. I like that one. Okay, back you go. This next one is a little piggy. This piggy was designed. I'm putting the names on the bottoms. This person did the little crab I did a week or one of my last videos when I did that really cute crab. That's I'm gonna make a bunch of. This is the same person. I don't think this pig has a Jackson the pig. This is Jackson the pig. I found this on Pinterest, and so Jackson works up really cute. Not quite like the picture, but I'll show you that's Jackson right there, and this is my Jackson, although I use this different color of yarn. I'm not 100% sold on Jackson, so I don't think I'm going to make any more of these. I have this one. I may try to sell it at a market at some time, but this is not something I'm going to make and put in my Etsy shop or make on a regular basis. It was fun to make. It was very quick to make, so I really should think about making them from a market. Maybe I need to think about how to embellish them. Maybe if I did some embroidery on her tummy or something like that, maybe I could come up with an idea. So yeah, I'll never say never. I can do something. I'll give her a tutu or a dress or some clothing or something. But yeah, this is Jackson the pig, and this I have on my Pinterest. If you want to go over to my Pinterest, I have a link, I think, down below. Go over there, and I have a page. What do you call it? A page? What do you call it? I forgot what you call them. I have a whole set of amigurumi toys, so you can go over there and look. This next thing is I have the pattern on my Pinterest. It is for a pool floaty coaster. And when I saw these pictured, I'm like, oh my Lord, I've got to make those. Look, it's a pool float. It's a coaster. Is that not the coolest thing? So this is the first one I made. And let me show you the picture. See, I like the green. There, you can see the green and I hope you can see that. Anyway, I want to make more of these in different colors. I want to make these to sell. I want to make these for me to go on my back porch. I want to make these as gifts. My mother-in-law would love a set of these, I believe. I want to make these. These are a big yes. It was very quick to make up. Of course, I just made the one so far. But yeah, I love this. So this one is like one of my favorites. And I do have the pattern. It is a free pattern, and it is on my Pinterest, and let me see who makes it. Cutie Pie Crochet. Cutie Pie Crochet did that. So give her credit. I would assume her. And so I highly recommend this one. Very easy make. It's just you do a circle, and then you work this in the tube, stuff it, sew it. There you go. Now these other two I can't seem to find. I don't know where I put the pattern, but I don't know. I must not have saved them. I think I found them on Pinterest, so all I can say is maybe just search yourself, because I really don't know where. I do need to look for them though. I'll look for them. Editing me will look and try to add them down below. First is this little mushroom. I crocheted this last minute for Nathan. I'm sure I found the pattern and forgot to save the pin and pin it. This is a copyrighted thing. This is from Mario Brothers, the video game. I just thought, well, I'm going to make it. I was making this. I made this. I had these colors right there with me. So I made this for Nathan. I think I'll make the green one as well for Nathan. I would not sell these as the Mario, but it's a mushroom. I can change up the colors. I can put things on top. I can change how the little dots are. And I could sell these maybe as keychains. I'm thinking of making keychains. Might be a little big for a keychain, but it might be something somebody might want. I'm going to make these, but not as the little mushroom guy from the Mario Brothers. So, but yeah. I will look for this pattern. I don't know why I didn't save it. I tried to save them. This was the last minute. Oh, I look up for something to crochet because I just made this. So there we go. And then the last thing, I've got to find this pattern because I don't know, I fell in love with this. You know, I think this is a crochet along with me on a YouTube. Let me look. It is. This is a YouTube crochet along with me pattern, which, yay. I'm glad I remembered that. This is from Dragon Sauvel. I don't know Dragon Sauvel. I didn't even check out their channel to see what else. Sorry, that's playing.
Hello, today in this video.
Yeah. It looks like this person does a lot of like little things. I don't know. I'll have to check them out. Anyway, I found this little alien and I just thought, how stinking cute is this little alien? And I thought about to make them into keychains. And that's what I think I'm going to do. I'm going to buy, they make glow-in-the-dark yarn, if you didn't know, if you're not a crocheter. They make glow-in-the-dark yarn. I'm going to get glow-in-the-dark yarn and make aliens. Now, the alien that is in the video, this is a chain and then it's worked in the round. So you chain and then you work in each stitch of the chain going back down. I felt like it needed pom-poms on top. So I crocheted little balls and put on top. I could have done at the time when I was making it, I thought I was following the pattern along, but after I assembled it. So I added the pom-poms later, or you could do increases on the end of your stitch to make it fan out, you know, make like a ball. Or you can buy little pom-poms or make little pom-poms and put on top. However you want to do it. But that's what I did. And I just thought, well, he's just so cute. I think someone would love to have this either as a keychain, or they call them backpack buddies, or your little pocket alien. I love that idea. So, yeah, this was a YouTube video, crochet along with me. I wrote down all the info. What I do when I crochet along, I write down the pattern, pause the video, make that section, and then move on to the next section. So I think I could, the video for this is 48 minutes long. I think I could probably make this one much quicker without all that. But yeah, there we go. So that's everything I've made and my thinking. I do want to make more of these and make them into like little buddies and sell them. I'm going to make more mushrooms, not as a Mario mushroom, but just as cool little mushrooms. Just little things. When I do markets, I think this will be great. Definitely, I'm making a ton of these. These two, I'm going to figure out how to embellish, make them more special. But definitely, I'll probably make more of that pig. This one, I don't know. I might. These things like this will cost a whole lot more. She took a good 2 to 3 days. I'm not talking just sitting and crocheting and doing nothing else. I couldn't do that. But spending quite a bit of time. She took hours and hours. She was not a quick make. So, but yeah, this one probably will stay with me. I'm not 100% sure with her. I think I'll just leave her eyelashes like they are. She was a good learning experience. So when I do it next time, I'll know what I'm doing. That's usually how I look at these patterns and these things I make. And sometimes I make them so well the first time, I think I can sell them. And I have some of those makes. But there we go. And like I said, I'm going to be doing a video soon. I'm going to lay out everything I've made. And you're going to help me decide what to keep for me. What's good enough to sell, what's not. And we'll go from there. So guys, thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I would love it if you would leave a comment down below. I would appreciate it. If you are new here, I would really love it if you would subscribe and we can become friends. If you are a crocheter, please leave a comment down below and let me know that you are a crocheter. And if you have a channel, I would love for you to leave a comment and let me come check out your channel, because I'm looking for crochet channels. I've only been crocheting since January 1st. And so, yeah, I'm looking for more crochet friends too. So, guys, thank y'all for watching, and I will see you next time.